Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Tesla. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. So starting here on main count with this one, I've shown you this before as well. So the overall idea is that we are creating a W, X and wave Y. Within this wave W, we have already completed wave W, X, Y within it and an ABC within this wave X. Now at the moment, as this is an X wave and has not retraced enough of this W wave here to be a flat, we are expecting a three-way move here for that wave Y. At the moment, it feels like and looks like this could be a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 and looking for that last fifth here for that A wave before a retracement for that B wave and then C wave, creating this zigzag pattern for that wave Y. Higher time frame targets would be all the way down here at $104 on arithmetic scale and $155 on logarithmic charts. If we are now looking at some of the targets on smaller time frame, let's go to wave 1 hour time frame and looking at this first potential leg of A. In this one, I've labeled this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see that wave 1 here is extended, wave 3 is extended beyond the 1.618 extension, so we don't need to be expecting any kind of extension here on 5th. But again, we did not get any kind of larger extension here to the 2.618 or anything else. So it is of course possible that we are going to get an extension here to the downside. So on the smaller time frames, after this wave 4 was put in place, almost getting to the 38.2 retracement, we have been looking only downwards. In here, I've labeled this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that could give us some kind of diagonal in here, and we could be looking for a wave 2 here. So this would be a wave 1 and 2. Why am I expecting this to be just a wave 1 or 5th? It's just because we have still yet to take out these lows. Of course, it is possible that we are going to get a truncation and get that B wave ongoing, but I feel like that is going to need some kind of catalyst. And tomorrow there is of course the election happening again, or the midterms. So that might give us some volatility. The other possibility here is instead of this whole thing being a wave 1, this could be a wave 1, 2, 1, 2 and possibly creating another 1, 2 to the downside. So if you want to be longing this for the B wave, be careful and set your stop very close here, because again this is very much of a possibility as well as a 1, 2, 1, 2. Also RSI is not telling us too much because again both of them are possible. This high here has not taken over this high here, so again it is possible to create a 1, 2, 3 to the downside. So those are the two structures that I'm watching here on smaller time frame and possibly looking for this B wave retracement. However, if we are actually completed this wave 5 already here, we could be also looking at the retracement targets for this B wave overall. And wave 2 actually is this, oh yeah, wave B here, and we could be looking at the golden pocket, for example. There is interesting areas here as well. Again, that golden pocket is giving us some kind of a volume profile there as well. 32 definitely has a lot of volume here as well, where we of course previously rejected here with this previous wave 4. I do expect us to get through that though, just because again this might look a bit small for a correction for that wave B. So that's why I do expect us to get up in here. Time wise, if we are done at the moment already, we could be comparing that to the possible B leg. Generally B legs are going to be taking a bit longer than A waves, so we could be expecting that to be next year as well, how long this B might take. But then again, we need to be comparing it against this X wave here as well, and that is going to be a bit shorter. So we'll see how this is going to go. I don't actually expect it to go to that far, so I feel like we might get something like this if we're going to be getting some kind of rally here before December, possibly due to tomorrow's results. But I think that is going to do it for today's Tesla video. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of the day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.